Fire, respond 41 Long Street for an active fire in the kitchen. Caller not believe it's in the walls. Sounds like it's going to be on top of the stove. They attempted to get it out, but it's not throwing out. Repeating Barre Dispatch, Barre City Fire. Respond 41 Long Street, active fire in the kitchen. They do not believe it's in the walls. They have evacuated. 1652 your house.
Engine 1, Ladder 2, Engine 3, Engine 5, Tower 1, Ambulance 1, Battalion 1, Ambulance 2, CMDSDF, Structure Fire, 94 Church Street, Engine 1, Ladder 2, Engine 3, Engine 5, Tower 1, Ambulance 1, Battalion 1, Ambulance 2, CMDSDF, Structure Fire, 94 Church Street.
Essex Dispatch, Essex Junction Fire, respond 187 Pearl Street. Report the house is full of smoke. Mom and Dad getting out now. Advise 2 kids are upstairs. Repeating Essex Junction Fire, respond 187 Pearl Street. Report of the house is full of smoke. Mom and Dad are getting out of the house now through the window. 2 kids upstairs. Time out, 345. Capital S Montpelier Fire, please respond to 720 North Street for heavy smoke coming from under the roof around the chimney, and the homeowner can hear crackling in the building. Again, Capital S Montpelier Fire, please respond to 720 North Street, heavy smoke coming from the chimney, homeowner can hear crackling coming from the roof, 1309.
Newport PD, Newport City Fire, respond to 99 Maple Street for smoke coming from a second floor window. Newport PD to Newport City Fire, respond to 99 Maple Street in Newport for smoke coming from a second floor window. Time is 10:47.
Dispatch, City Fire, semis calling possible structure fire. Respond 51 William Street. Call from the lieutenant of apartment number 3 advising she believes the roof of the structure is on fire. They are evacuating. Reading Central Dispatch, City Fire. Respond 51 William Street. Possible structure fire. Caller from apartment 3 advising that she believes the roof is on fire. Time of tone 2040.
Ladder 1, Ambulance 1, Engine 2, Ambulance 2, Air Guard Engine 7, Smoke in Building, 80 Long Drive. Ladder 1, Ambulance 1, Engine 2, Ambulance 2, Air Guard Engine 7, Smoke in Building, 80 Long Drive, near No Cross Streets found.
Message page for Amcare, Albans City Fire, please respond 29 Sunset Meadows for a structure fire. Albans Central Ping page for Amcare, Albans City Fire, please respond 29 Sunset Meadows for a structure fire. Central standby 139.
Charlotte Dispatch, present fire. Caesar Town, request for your ladder. Mutual aid response into Middlebury. 67 Catamount Park for smoke coming from the walls, also electric fire. Charlotte Dispatch, present fire. Respond mutual aid with a ladder into Middlebury. 67 Catamount Park. Smoke coming from the walls, also electric fire. Time out is 1649.
Colchester Fire, ladder from Winooski. It's going to be toned to 274 Eagle Park Drive. It's going to be a second alarm structure fire. Again, Colchester Fire, ladder from Winooski, engine from Essex Junction, engine from Milton. Responded 274 Eagle Park Drive. It's going to be for a fully involved structure fire, second alarm.